Hello and good evening, everyone. I'm Sir. Today we are from group RadioHead Cafe and gonna present about our project for OOP, Object Oriented Programming. So our group consisted of Hieu Hao Nam, Moon Pipin, and Lau Kok Liang. Okay, for the introduction, the RadioHead Cafe is a desktop-based application designed to improve coffee shop operation by replacing manual ordering with a computerized system. It allows staff to manage orders efficiently through a GUI while storing sales, staff, and inventory data in a database. Thus reduces waiting times and human error, improves service speed, and supports better management through automated sales record. On top of that, third-party library such as Apache PDF Box and JFreeChat are used to generate digital receipts and sales reports. For the problem statement that we found to create this program is during peak hours, manual ordering taking can lead to long queues and delays, affecting customer satisfaction. Secondly, manual sales recording may result in inaccurate or incomplete sales data. So from this program, we may solve the problem. Okay, for the objective of our project and program is to automate the order taking process using a user-friendly GUI, reducing ordering time and human errors. Then, to store order and sales data directly into a database, ensuring accuracy and data security. So this is the entity relationship diagram, ERD, for our program. And we consist of 4 tables: product, sales detail, staff, and sale. That's all.
So I'm here now. I will continue with the system demonstration. So first of all, when we start the system, we will enter a login menu. Staff will enter using their staff ID and the credential passwords. So first of all, let's say we enter this. After enter, we will enter this menu. So first of all, I will going to demonstrate the staff management. Here's a few options that we can choose from. That is add, update, and delete staff. So first, I'm going to demonstrate add staff. So let's say I want to add the staff Alif, and his phone number is this, and his password is something like this. So let's say his ability is set as available. After that, let's state that which ID Alif is assigned to. After that, you can see that Alif is added to the staff. So let's say I want to change the password to something else. So that's after that, after update, you will state that the set is updated, and we cannot see, but the password is updated. After that, we also delete staff. Let's say I want to delete a staff that already made a sales, like this one. If you try to delete, it will change the setup to inactive instead of removing it because of the dependency. So refresh is just to refresh the list, and clear field is to clear the field on top.
Next is product management. For the product management, we will show the product list, and they can add, update, delete, refresh, and clear the field. For example, I want to add the product like red velvet cake. And the price is 12 ringgit and 20 stock. And I add the product. It will show the successfully status. If I want to update the product, I can update the price like 20 ringgit. And the stock is 21. And click update product to ensure update successfully. And if I want to delete the product, I choose the things that in the product list and I click delete. It will show to confirm the status and I click yes to show the remove successfully. After I delete the product, they will show the unavailable because they have dependency. So they will show unavailable status.
Okay, next, I'm Munbin and I'll explain about the sales management module. So inside here, we have three tabs on top. One is new sales, and then the other is sales history, and then the other one is sales analytics. So first of all, we are explaining about new sales. This is about creating a new sales. So on top of it, the sales information, the staff ID is the staff, is the login staff. And then the date is the today date, where it will be stored into the database later, and then total amount. So first of all, let's say I want to choose something inside the product list. Let's say I want to go with cappuccino, and the quantity is 2. And then we can click add to cart. On the right hand side, it is our shopping cart. So if I want to add any other things also can. Let's say I want to add like the red velvet cake on which quantity 1, and then we can click add to cart. Let's say I want to add something that is already in the cart. Let's say I want to add back the cappuccino with a quantity of 1. And then at the right hand side, the quantity itself will update to 3, from 2 update to 3. So then if I want to add something that is unavailable, let's say the blueberry muffin, if I try to add to cart, it will prompt a message say the product is not available. Next, let's say I want to add female hot chocolate into the cart with a quantity of 5. And assume that we made a mistake. So we want to remove it from the cart. So we can choose the item that we want to remove, and then we click remove from cart, the button. So after we are all done, we can click on create sales. And then we show the success message with the ID of the sale. And then we will prompt whether do we want to print the receipt or not. For this, I only implemented the temporary PDF reader. So if I click yes, it will show inside our system PDF reader. And then this is like the example of the receipt. Next, for the other tab, sales history, we can see all of the sales history here. Let's say I want to print receipt of a certain sale. We can choose a sale. Okay, we can search the sale. Let's say I want to search for 80. And then below it is the sale detail of the sales. The amount is a bit weird because we use this for reporting purpose. So let's say I want to print the receipt for this. I can click on print receipt, and it will also do the same thing, just as before. The receipt will be shown. Okay, that's it. That's it from me. Now I'll pass to Alif to explain the sales reporting module.
Okay, now I'm going to present the sales analytic report. So when we tap the button, we can see all the report that we have created from the sales that we recorded. So firstly, the daily sales in last 7 days. So this is the bar chart that we can see. You can see the trend for the everyday sale from then this is the monthly sales trend from February 2024 until December 2025. Then top product by sale. This is we can see the how many product that that is been purchased by our customer. Firstly is spaghetti bolognese and following by chicken mushroom, by signature Spanish latte, and more. Then top products by quantity. This is quantity sold. Firstly is signature Spanish latte. We can see it is sold by 825 purchase, following by spaghetti bolognese by 750 plus in the mushroom and more. Then staff performance. Staff performance is we do the bar chart by staff following the how many sales that they manage to collect. So the highest that we can see is from Sarah Brewer that is recorded about 9,250. So then we can export the chart so that we can export the chart into our devices and we can save it. So then we can see from our devices now. So yeah, the chart is saved in our device successfully. It's saved in our devices. Okay, that's all for me. I think. Anyone want to add anything? In conclusion, the coffee shop ordering system provides an effective solution to common problem faced by coffee shops that rely on manual processes. By implementing a GUI-based ordering system with database integration, the application improves order accuracy, service speed, and sales data management. Features such as receipt generation and sales visualization further enhance business operations and decision making. The limitation that we found from our program is the system is a desktop-based application which limit usage to a single location and does not support remote access or online ordering. The application depends on a local database, and in-database failure may affect system availability and data access. Next, the system supports limited user roles, making it less flexible for larger coffee shops with multiple staff responsibilities. And lastly, menu and inventory data require manual updates, which may still lead to data entry errors. For the future improvement, we want to improve our system by integrate of online ordering and mobile application support for remote orders, implementation of customer accounts and loyalty programs. Next is real-time inventory alerts when stock levels are low. And lastly, support for multiple payment methods such as e-wallet and QR payment. So that's all from us. Thank you, sir.